I don't know how to build
Heading for the water
car.
tower.
You're by the water tower?
Yeah.
Oh crap.
If you see
Oh
me,
my
hold your
God.
fire. I'm gonna hold a
Lord,
pistol.
stop trying to get into my base. You can't even stop
Never mind, I
share
got
glitching.
shot.
Ah, it's cloud.
I can teach you to build.
Shrek does not have the greatest building
You can't
skills,
share
but-
glitch into
You
people's
can't
bases.
win. Alright, now where are you?
Now you can't set spawn point in people's bases either.
I just got
It's
ran over.
sentient.
Retarded.
I'm not in
I
control of it.
am.
I'm not in control of it. It is sentient.
I just got ran over.
Understandable.
I don't even know.
Thank you.
Oh, I found him. I found him.
Where?
Oh,
Actually,
he's
I
right
found
next
you.
to the windmill.
Right next.
He's right next to the windmill. The windmill. He's right next to it.
The windmill. The meal of wind.
The little spinny thing.
Where can I
I
find
found
a
him.
car?
He's over here.
Walking sucks.
I don't see him.
He's on top.
Oh, it go fly and it go.
My
Go
render distance
wee.
must be Garbo then.
The elite
Jesus, this
Gojira
thing goes.
VPN.
It's an aircraft.
You can't set spawn in bases or chair glitch and fuck off. You already broke 3 rules.
I'm out. This is boring.
No rain in the halls.
Hi, Shrek.
I literally do not even see him.
Oh, he's right behind the rocks. Wow, he just ran away.
No, it doesn't.
This guy ran away.
Can I trust you not to one?
I'm not gonna win.
Who, me?
No, Shrek.
Oh, Shrek. You at the base right? Are you at the little base right now?
You got in chat.
Do what? I couldn't hear you. Sorry.
Are you at the base I'm heading to right now?
You got in chat.
Hi.
Ah!
Oh, you're dead again.
I can't see. The sun's blocking my screen. Please help me.
Well then look away from the
Where
sun.
are you?
I can't. The sun's on my screen. It's reflecting onto my screen. I gotta close the curtains.
Close your curtains.
Jason. Okay, there. It's much better to see.
Wow, poor Jay. Poor Keith. You're gonna just game bullied. I'm sorry. I'm trying to find you, but you keep dying every time.
No, don't
I
vote
get
for
to
new
you.
map.
I guess this is like newbie
Yeah,
initiation. Just get shot a bunch of times.
This is not the real.
I mean, you could
Keith,
just.
you are
could
not
just
real
go
spooky.
for it.
Yeah.
I'm sad. I'm sad.
I need to find you. We can work together.
You could just.
Finally.
You could
kill
just
some
go into
guy.
God mode.
Where are you?
There's
I
only
can't
That's
get
one
up the
boring.
hill.
Spooky, and it's not you. You're not real spooky.
I cannot
Don't
get up the
kill
hill.
me. And now I will join the funny man in a snipe.
Oh, I see you.
Oh, don't shoot.
See you.
That
do?
doesn't do anything.
It's rude.
Yep, right here. What?
Oh, there you are.
Guys, fun fact: shooting people is rude.
Fun fact, shooting people is fun.
I agree.
Fun
It's fun
fact,
if you know
game
how to
bully's
shoot
not fun.
people.
We should go find a base real quick, so you can put your spawn point.
Oh, okay, cool. Sport.
And there no one.
Murder is only a crime in 18 countries. Isn't that all of them?
I think so. Oh no!
Yeah, there are 18 countries in the entire world, even though there are like 56 in Africa.
Oh, I gotta find you again. Worst day of my life.
Okay, where the fuck am I this time? I'm just gonna find a road every time.
Yeah, let's find a road. I'll meet you there. Hoping I get off.
By the way.
I'm being bullied today.
Yes, of course.
That's great.
She's
I'm using-
true geography.
My favorite part of Canada is that murder is the.
I don't think that's true.
I'm using a
As long as
stinking
you have a
car.
stabbing
No,
license.
I'm using a stinking car. I keep dying from getting ran over, so I'm using a car.
Allowed. I have a license that allows me to shoot people on P7.
Oh, I was lying for a sec. Ow! I ran myself.
Okay, fine.
Oh, I don't want to
No!
alarm you, but I think your car exploded.
Let me just go God mode real quick so I don't die so many times. Alright, now where are you? I'm on the road again. Right next to the gas station.
Sir, why did
Okay,
your
let me
car
just find
explode?
that.
Why did your car explode? I don't think that's normal.
Hey, Mike wife.
If a car explodes, then it's not normal. So why did it explode? Can you tell me? Are you hiding something? Why did your car explode?
I'm on the road right now. I'm just like looking around.
Oh my god, we
I
broke the
found
window.
the place. Hi, I found you.
You again. Where? Where are you? Oh. This guy's following me around. You are. Stop following me. You're creepy. I'm sorry, but you're creepy. Oh, ungod mode myself and shoot you in the head 10 times more than usual.
I'm gonna put something in front of the window.
Hey,
I'm called
I
rude.
hate to alarm you, but I think that is the and when and then.
Ah, nice try, car.
I think they died. That looked like a very cinematic movie crash. Oh no, it's going.
Yes.
It's front.
Boom, window secure.
Ah! I hate to
Why?
alarm you, but I think an airstrike of 7 cruise missiles just killed both of us.
Okay, I'm
You don't
gonna head to the
say.
base. Yeah, you're gonna try to probably. No, I'm waiting on the road
You
again.
just broke
I'm
the
bored.
thingy!
No, it's the Bun airship. I must go and cause.
I'm hearing Brad.
Oh, it's all green!
don't-
It's all green! It's all
I
green!
don't mind the constant death. Like just.
Where
spawn
are
in
you?
blood in that building. I went through spawn 3.
And where is
I
spawn
can't
3?
navigate properly.
I don't
Spawn
know.
door free. Let's see. Hold on.
Yeah, please look so I know where it's at so I can find her.
Yeah, I forget where spawn door free leads to. Does it lead somewhere near
I'm
the
heading.
town?
I found the road again.
No,
Oh, you
you're thinking
did?
of Spawn Door 2. Spawn Door 2 leads near the water tower.
I'm just gonna wait. Oh, there's missiles. Oh, no!
That's a lot of missiles, so you know.
If only there was someone we knew who like.
Go to door 2. Go find door 2.
Dark purple and dark gray. If only there was anyone we knew who liked that color palette.
Found it.
Commit War Thunder April Fool's update.
Not you again.
Boom, barricade done.
Bun airship?